Vivaan from Maharaja Model School. The name of my idea is the energy tile. So, have you ever thought about how much energy we waste every single day? Rain falls, people walk on streets, in parks, at stations, and all that movement disappears without being used. At the same time, many cities and villages still face power shortages and high electricity costs. We keep burning fuels that harm our planet because traditional energy systems are expensive, and we ignore these small, everyday sources of energy. That's where the energy tile comes in. It's a simple but powerful idea, turning raindrops and footsteps into clean electricity. These tiles are fitted with piezoelectric sensors that generate energy whenever pressure is applied, whether from rain falling or people walking. This energy is stored and can be used to power lights, schools, parks, and even homes. To make it smarter, we have added a rainfall sensor connected to an Arduino and an LCD display. This shows real time rain intensity and how much energy is being saved. Imagine installing these tiles in crowded places like metro stations or railway platforms. The energy collected in just one day could power a small village for more than 24 hours. These tiles can light up street lamps, support industries, and help build greener cities and villages. The Rainergy tile project is cost effective, eco friendly, and ideal for schools, parks, and areas and small cities. It's a creative way to use science and technology to make life easier and protect our planet. If we install these tiles across the country, we can take a big step towards a sustainable future. Thank you.